What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be doing a downpipe for ram horn manifolds on a V8 S10. I'm just using some spare 2.5 inch stainless steel from a swap meet, and this piece of pipe is off a 2012 Camaro, and we'll get up to the where I'm going to mount the crossover, and I'll choose the mufflers and whatnot later. Probably do a box exit exhaust, so I'll at least get it up to the cab. And then in a later video, I'll do the box exit, finish off the exhaust. Getting the exhaust all tacked in. I think I'm gonna go something like this, and then fill the pipe in down there. Be able to get my caster. Try to get this downpipe over here. Put an extension, I guess. Something like that. Alright, I got the first part of the downpipe welded in. Problem was the upper control arm mount hits the bolt if you're trying to use a ram horn. So I used this header flange, and then that way I could cut it up high, kind of move this over a bit, cut this bolt short. Now I have room for a little bit longer if I need. Hopefully this will have enough adjustment. And then I'll put this pipe somewhere around like that. I can aim down there. I'll put a flange down there somewhere so I can unbolt this, and this will be a separate piece of pipe. And I had to spin the starter upside down because the starter motor was hitting back here. It looks like now the way I have it running, this can flip back up, but I don't want to heat soak it, so kind of deal with that as I go. now I have a donut going to a flange, and these come with gaskets, so I'm going to use the gasket it comes with, but I also ground this out so that once I bolt it together, this donut should sink in there nice and tight, just a little bit more, and then that'll seal into there. So I'll run this, and I'll also put on the gasket, then that way it definitely shouldn't leak, because I don't have to take these pipes back off. So we'll see how that works. Alright, I got a bit of the downpipe welded up. Now I'm going to put in this piece of exhaust I had lying around from a Camaro, 2012 Camaro. It's 2.5-inch exhaust, so it's the right size for this. It just happens to work out to have good bends to fit around here. So I'll get that welded up. Since I'm using just scrap pipe to make this exhaust system, anywhere there's a transition or a hard edge, I'm trying to weld it on the inside and make sure all the transitions are smooth inside. So the exhaust will be flowing in this way, so I'm making sure there's no hard edge there, it's all smooth. Here's what we got going on. I got the downpipe in. Comes to this 2.5-inch Camaro exhaust. Comes under the trans. I'll cut it, bring it over here. This pipe will come down, meet up beside, and then they should both come under the cross member. Alright, so now that we got the downpipes in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing these ram horns, removing all the pipes, sanding them down. I tried to use as much stainless steel as I could, but some of the pipes are steel in there, and I don't have a TIG, so I had to MIG weld everything. So it'll all be sanded down, ceramic primed, ceramic painted, and then once that's been baked, I'll actually header wrap all of the exhaust that's in the engine bay. I'll be moving all these brake lines and clearancing anything that needs to be clearanced yet, but I think it's pretty good up to here. So I'll catch you in the next video.